Yeah, Sean Fitzgerald from Observe What Is. It's a privilege and honor. I've got Barry Van den Berg with me for Barry Stephen Agency. I'm partnering with him, and I'm wearing his t-shirts. Best Papa Ever. And he's going to give us a little idea of his t-shirt range. I'm going to be promoting them at all my events. I'm going to be wearing these t-shirts. Barry, please tell the viewers a little bit about these shirts.
Hi, my name is Barry. My son gave birth to a little boy a little while ago, about 6 weeks, and we hunted Joburg, Cape Town, and Durban to try and find a good quality t-shirt at a reasonable price with father or papa or whatever it is on the t-shirt printed, and we could not find anything. So my wife and myself decided to actually go into making t-shirts. So we have this quality t-shirt here, which is a 165 knitted garment. It's got a special ribbing around the neck so it doesn't stretch. It's top quality. We decided to put several motifs on. This is one of them that we show here. You can see, being his son makes me a better dad, and we've got 6 others which we have introduced at the beginning of the show. The price of this garment is 125 Rand, and all you have to do is place an order and we'll give you the goods.
Yeah, cool, Barry. These t-shirts are great, man. They feel great. They really rock. They're wonderful. Please, guys, come up to me. You'll see me in all these events. I'll be running a whole lot of reality shows and shows with these t-shirts. Please come speak to me. I'll put you in touch with Barry. He's a real cool guy. Okay, Barry, do you want to leave your contact details for the guys?
You can contact me on the cell phone. Is 082 452 6288, or my email address is Barry, BARRY, at B for Barry, S for Sugar, Labels, LABELS.co.za. Looking forward to doing a service for you.
Great.
Thank you. Bye.
Observe What Is. Please leave your comments and suggestions, and get in contact with us, with Barry. Barry's a great guy, and we want to help you with the t-shirts. Yes.